guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, we want to bring you the latest Arsenal news update that's the drop all over the world for now. Let's start with this news. Alright, so Jurgen Klopp will be the Liverpool manager. So for the media setting, they're going to ask him about the match we then go play with Arsenal for the Anfield. So Klopp can just say, say this match don't want to play. Say Arsenal are probably the strongest team in the Premier League right now, because when you check out, you can see Arsenal and they lead the pack. Arsenal are leading Liverpool with 1 point. So obviously his point is well taken and it's accurate for him to say Arsenal are the strongest, because everybody don't play equal number of games and we are leading the pack. If the league they end today like this now, we don't win the league. So that is what Baba they talk. So also say they will be very, very wary of Arsenal. They will prepare for Arsenal. Like, they underrate Arsenal. The quality where Arsenal they bring come for the Anfield, and he understands that last season Arsenal almost won the game before they come rally round, come equalize, come play 2-2. So we'll just see how the match will be. The match will be on Saturday. So we'll just see how everything will unfold. Alright, away from that, so on this opportunity, thank everybody waiting for our YouTube community. Our YouTube community is 15,000 community members today. I just woke up this morning, just say, we don't reach 15,000. As of yesterday, I'm 14,900 and something. So I just happy to say we don't reach 15,000 in no day easy. Get with our journey on YouTube. I think it's like maybe 2 years or 3 years or so. I know people don't do YouTube like 10 years and never even see 5,000. So they're very easy. So we thank all of you for trusting us with your news and all of the day here. If not, I will not go there. And so much kudos to those on our YouTube platform, because our Facebook community down there like maybe 86,000. YouTube is actually harder than building a Facebook community. So that is why I'm very, very happy, and I will see there to continue the feeding and the news road I need. Alright, so John Barnes. So Baba don't come aside, and one of the senior man pundits out there, he can talk say Declan Rice is going to be integral to Arsenal's hopes of success at the Anfield. You get, say, not be saying they worried, you get, for this match, but this is the most he has been worried in a match between Arsenal and Liverpool in the last 3-4 years, because Declan Rice don't make Arsenal a better team. So he don't know how the match go unfold. Like before, Incovi beat in chest, say yes, say Liverpool go dey more physical than Arsenal, but now Declan Rice has made Arsenal a more physical side, so you don't know what to expect. Even Arteta said, talks Declan Rice is like a lighthouse. He puts lights in other players that are around him and makes them play better. He gets ever since Declan Rice when they play for Arsenal, go and check his rating. You will see like about 7 or 8 over 10 and above. And waiting they get so many man of the match when they win. So I just value the guy, and the way the guy they play. If you don't know they score plenty goals, but the dirty job, the way they steal ball perfectly, get without collecting yellow or red cards, that one I'm going alone. I'm not grateful. The guy they try. Alright, so you get one of our senior community member when they ask this question. I don't see this question like 3 or 4 times now when they ask him for our show. When they talk, say, is it forbidden for EPL clubs to actually get players from the championship? That waiting in they ask. Number one, they say it is not actually forbidden. The team they say there are exceptional players in the championship. We all understand that. Look at Victor Gyökeres. This guy was playing for Coventry. Sporting this was signer about in 17 games or there, in 12 games, not scoring at 17 goals. Like, cannot score plenty for Portuguese league. We make their coach don't they fear now, say the likes of Arsenal and Chelsea won't come carry the guy. From this same championship. Ivan Toney, they talk to one side today now. Once upon a time, they were in the championship. Now they first start. They busted up and down before they come the EPL. You can continue from where it stopped. So even Mitrovic, we went to championship, broke a lot of records. So there are good players there, but the thing is, most of all those players, they lack experience. Majority of them are not as good as, like maybe if you talk to maybe 80% are very, very poor, then 20% are good. But how lucky, what are the odds that you will get any of those 20%? Because there are a lot of exceptional players. There are exceptions, but we all know exceptions don't negate the general rule. You get, so we move with generality. So in general, many of the players there, they're not there of the required level to play in the EPL. That is why I see people like Arsenal, Man City, they hardly, Chelsea, they hardly go there to go and look for players. Now all those Brentford, all those Fulham, all those small clubs there, and then they really go get players. After they get those players, they'll come refine the players. Arsenal can't go, they go collect the refined player. We don't get experience. If to say Brentford still for championship and Toney they score 20 goals, do you think Arsenal will go to the one side of Toney? No. But because they don't come from championship, come to the EPL, can't refine the player, give them EPL experience. Now Arsenal can go there and say, okay, you've gotten EPL experience, you've replicated what you were doing in the championship. For that reason, we can get you now. So that is just the difference. Because everything at the end of the day now risk. Even the one waiting for EPL we go sign. What if the guarantee saying go bear? So it's all about risk. Alright, so you're Klopp come outside on the para for Liverpool fans. So I watched the video, I was very surprised. So Baba Conduct say they need the fans against Arsenal. Say they need the place to be very noisy from the first minutes or the first second where they don't blow the whistle. When they explain say Arsenal no play midweek cup match. For that reason, Arsenal are going to be very well prepared. And if you know Arsenal, you go know say then go be well prepared. You get now. He said he no need to get an argument from Mikel Arteta. Like he no need to argue with Mikel Arteta before the fans go come alive. Now we'll see about they explain. I will still talk about what that one mean. At the same time, do you know that Liverpool have not lost at home since February? For that reason, you can say any fan when they say in voice the crack, when they say in no day in good shape. Baba no buy tickets, come watch the match, stay for your house. Get we only need those that are ready to support us. The guy they talk tough. Say if you know say no go come sing, you know go stand up, you know go chant, you know go push us, stay for your house. This match now must win. So we need all the fans that can support us. That was in the top because they say the match they play Liverpool, we don't know that because of the Manchester United match. That is why the fans don't come, they like talk, everybody come there somehow like a testicle. So they need the voice of the fans against Arsenal. Now, coming back to the point where he makes say he no need to argue with Arteta for the fans to come alive. Was it not yesterday? I which day they talk about this and say when you watch the tactics wey Klopp they use, his antics for the match, if you notice say the fans they frustrated, everybody frown. He go just maybe Arteta they complain of something, he will just talk nonsense, talk something, we go trigger a reaction like a response to stimulus. Talk that kind of thing to Arteta said go reply before you know what they go 1v1. Fans everywhere will start to shout. They do that thing last time when they beat them 2-0. One of their players, Ginger Granny Shaka, they can't spoil themselves. Get 1v1 before you know fans come alive. So Arteta and Arsenal need to be wary of all these antics. Don't give them any reaction. They talk, they laugh, they smile, just focus. So now so it will be. If you score any goal, we'll just shut up all those fans. Alright, so the Independents also contact say Arsenal are actually leading Chelsea in the race to sign Ivan Toney. We all know this. I don't think this is an open secret. We all know say Ivan Toney now they pursue Arsenal. And Chelsea can't pursue Ivan Toney. There's a difference. Even the Chelsea go never they guarantee Shola say that Ivan Toney they will sign. If you be saying Osimhen, then they look for. So but we just watch the same. What's in the switch maybe say the situation where Arsenal did, like there Chelsea did. Financial fair play. Everybody to watch financial fair play. Now I watch one comment from John Motro, maybe I think the director of football for Manchester United. This is the complaint of the financial fair play. Talk say they fit to no sign player for January because now the financial fair play don't get seats. You know, say before this financial fair play don't they since so, but I don't just know for one reason or the other they don't come they implement the laws. But now everybody they see Everton as a scapegoat, like a template. You get as an example. So nobody want to be like Everton like a small club and we're getting 10-point deduction. What will come happen? They won't punish the likes of Chelsea or the likes of Man City or the likes of Arsenal if we infringe on the same rule. Our punishment will be like 20-30 points deduction, and we don't want that. Okay, so that's why everybody be very careful. And I believe say all this financial fair play issue, you will also drive down the price because selling clubs go know say if you escalate price high, buying clubs no even if they have the money. But because of financial fair play, they will not be able to splash the cash once unless they're going to accept structured fee and loan with obligation to buy option to buy all those kind other alternatives. So let's go on. Alright, so Ale McCoist will be one of the pundits out there. According to say that is Declan Rice a bargain at £100 million. Now the question when they ask say you know really see Declan Rice as a bargain. All this kind talk this one now from a I don't know which angle I will talk say it be because is it that you cannot see what is happening? Like, are you going to tell me? Well, will they even talk say the money we will pay too small? Where Arsenal fans they even create a GoFundMe page say they won't give West Ham extra 20-25 million pounds. and you are coming out to say the money never really justified, like it's not a bargain. Man, just skip this one. Just make I let you know the name of the person who they talk this thing. I don't need to talk too much about. I'm not going to sound like a broken record, because something that is visible to the blind and audible to the deaf. Somebody is coming out to say, is he a bargain? What do you want me to do for you again? Person don't better. Next story, I beg. Alright, the Bournemouth owner, what they call Bill Foley, come as I call it, say Dominic Solanke, or Solanke if you like. Say the guy doesn't go anywhere. The door is closed shut and bolted. So they tell BBC radio solvents, so they ask him, say, this one will say Arsenal interested in signing on a player, which will not stand. She will not like to sell him, because we also say Brentford director don't come outside talk, say yes, they are willing to sell as long as the fee is a decent fee. So they ask Bill Foley, this one are the owner of Bournemouth. So Alpha on the like to say, they say, may nobody reason go that side though. So they don't use padlock everywhere. Say the player don't go anywhere. You get, so it is what it is. All this one I talk is cheap. When January release, you will splash money from me no collect now. Alright, so Jamie Carragher come outside the talk, say Liverpool actually need to beat Arsenal to prove their title credentials, because you gotta look the match, say almost say the match go tire apart, because it go dey tough. Arsenal no be small again. You get Arsenal, if you give them chance, someone they will knock you blue and black. So they will be very, very wary. And at the same time, you say no even say Liverpool title contest, like say they will win the title. Say no, say this is say Liverpool still a rebuild, and for him, he's feeling that Liverpool don't be ahead of schedule. You get that, because they don't dey for second, and people gonna put them in the name of those who will win the league. To say that they're like fourth or fifth, nobody will reason them now, because they still a rebuild. Not because of reason they just buy players. So those players need to take time to gel and acclimatize. But it is what it is. Even I can get some late updates, injury updates about Liverpool. So Diogo Jota might miss the match, Alexis McAllister will miss the match. Even Ryan Gravenberch, that the match might be too early for him. So we might be expecting all those Curtis Jones, all those kind of people, Luis them. So more just until I see their lineup, but Liverpool, their attack is very, very scary. But you don't get it. I don't know why. Darwin Núñez, when was the last time he scored? Cody Gakpo, they get players, so Salah, Cody Gakpo, Darwin Núñez. These guys, if you give them a chance, they will punish you. The match will switch here, because like Canada they talk, Liverpool is going to take the game to Arsenal. You get, and that kind of match that they like. You get. Alright, Chris Sutton also come outside. They predict the match. Say Liverpool versus Arsenal will be a bit cagey, but Liverpool will win the game. Now, if you see this match, I did look for weaknesses for this Liverpool setup, and their weakness is at the back. Robertson will be one of their best fullback. Good day. So the Saka, I never know who they'll come put against Saka 1v1. Anybody will be, as long as you know the Robertson, Jay Saka will leave that person like a pot of soup, because Alexander Arnold would be in direct proximity with Martinelli. Two of them, they know themselves. So Martinelli, normal, they leak that one. Again. So I never know how they will do it, because Liverpool know between when they gang up. So we'll just see how these individual battles go be at the end of the day. So we serve our own players, Zinchenko versus Salah. I don't know. Salah will lick that guy like a pot of soup. So we never know how they will set up. Are we going to be seeing Cody Gakpo versus Ben White? So many individual battles. At the end of the day, this match, the match will say goals go plenty. Now whoever outscored the other, now go win the game. Yes, so me at this year. Alright, so Andre, when they play for Fluminense for South America, so Babana come outside talk say in the watch EPL well, and to be a dream come true for him to play in the EPL. Remember, say Arsenal they interested in signing him. Liverpool said they come back, so they want to sign him. Man U is there, Chelsea is there, so everybody they really say they want to sign the guy. Myself, I never really watched the guy play. Maybe the match they go play, I think today. I think it's today or tomorrow. They go play against Man City for the Club World Cup final. Maybe I will find where I will watch. I maybe score into it. I will find where I will watch the match. Where I see the way the guy they play. And the guy are regular for Brazilian setup. Their senior team. So for him to be a regular there is good player. So most of the see how things go unfold here. So my dear Arsenal lovers, if you know what yesterday, should check the top left corner of your screen. You will see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. And game out.